Welcome to AMG Time's demonstration covering the basics of our time and attendance solutions, which allows you to track, manage, and report on the time and attendance of employees. AMG Time software is available on the cloud, as well as for an installed PC-based software. We have a variety of data capture devices that pair with the software, such as hand punches, facial recognition, fingerprint devices, and our mobile solution, which allows you to clock in from any location, in or outside of the office. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will begin by going over our cloud-based solution. However, know that the PC-based solution is very similar. Here, we have the home screen, what you would see when you first sign on. You have the option to add customizable widgets for things like current overtime workers, absences, or missing punches, so that you can see this information right away. Going a little bit deeper, here we have our attendance window, where you would go to view the individual employee's time, and if you need to make an adjustment, simply double-click on the cell, make your adjustment, and click OK. Once you make the adjustment, the transaction will get flagged as a manual transaction, so you can always go and see who did that action and when. Going back to our time card, we do have the ability to add any type of category to the time card, such as jury duty, lunchtime, break time, vacation time, or anything that you want to appear on the time card, we have the ability to apply. Also, to make it easier for administrators to check employees' time, we have a Display Missed Punches button, which will show you any employee who forgot to punch out throughout the day, so you can easily go to that punch and make the adjustment. Here we have the Employees Benefit Bank, where you can choose to add or remove benefits for them to use. Or we also have the option to automatically accrue those as well. Next, we have our status board, where you can see everyone's current status. So you can see if people are working, if they're absent, or out of the office. And you can also see things like their last punch, or how many hours they need to get into overtime. If you look at Christian needs to work 3/4 of an hour to get into overtime, whereas Amanda already has 1/4 of an hour of overtime. This is a great tool to help you manage your labor costs. This feature is also available on our mobile app, free for administrators. Now, let's navigate to our reports section, where we have over 25 standard time and attendance-based reports. First, we have our basic time card, where we have options for things like category summaries, daily summaries, or benefit summaries. We also have the option to add customizable text to the end of the time card so that you can have employees sign off to approve their time. We also have reports for things like employee wages, transactions, total for worked hours, and even tardiness and early leaves, so that you can come in and define what you consider to be tardy, and then get a list of each time the employee was tardy, or simply get totals for any given time period. Next, we have our payroll section, where we have already integrated with over 100 different payrolls, so that it's really simple to come in, select your payroll, and do a quick export, so you can go ahead and take that file over and import it into Payroll, saving you time each pay period. We even offer seamless integration with some payroll and HR companies. That is all for our basic overview of our cloud solution. Please speak to an AMG Time representative for more advanced and custom features. Thank you for your attention.